Hi everyone, I am making some jack-o'-lanterns. So these are the pumpkins to choose from. I'm going to carve them and then put them at the end of the driveway for decoration. So I'm going to look for one pumpkin or two pumpkins that for either side of the driveway that are very kind of green still, so they don't rot before Halloween comes. So, and they're heavy. Probably this one too. That's a good one. So I'll put them in the wheelbarrow. I'd like to use these huge ones here. Oh, look at that. That one's a huge one. So is that one over there. You know what? I'm going to go against my better judgment. No. We'll see. There's only so many pies I can make, right? But yeah, we'll see. Maybe that's a good one. We'll see. So what I have here is a solar light to make the inside glow and some blazing stars that I'm going to put in the top here. So let's get carving. Oh, and I like to use an ice cream scoop. I find it does the best job. And then one of my favorite knives. Cuisinart. All right, let's get started. Depending on how deep this is, I'm going to measure it and cut a hole in the back here for the solar light, so it'll light up the inside of the pumpkin. And I want to show you glove change. It's a glove change. All right, here we go. Here's all the insides, what it looks like. I'm just going to cut this whole top piece off, and I could pretty much just check this. There aren't very many seeds in there. I'll look through it, but in here are all the seeds. So I'm going to get all that pulp out with the ice cream scoop, as I told you, and that's it. Oh, pretty good. I wanted to also tell you that what I've found is the cleaner you can get the inside of this pumpkin, the longer it will last for you. And if you look at the back, which turned out excellent, it's just the correct width for this light. So the light will stick out of the bottom a little bit and light up the pumpkin. Here's the top piece with the LED light. You can just push it in a little bit, and I'll show you here. See, it sticks through the bottom, so it will light up the inside. So this is the inside from one pumpkin. I guess that's the pulp. And for my taste, this is what the inside of the pumpkin should look like. It's pretty clean in there. And this probably will last until the whole month unless it gets really hot. So let's give it some hair. So luckily, we have 9 of these. Sorry, knock that over. We have 9 blazing stars. And I'm going to put those, and that's perfect. And why that's perfect, I was eating cookies, you guys. Why that's perfect is because 9 is my favorite number. 9 is a great number. So I'm going to poke holes with this screwdriver all the way evenly across. And I'm that person who has to measure everything, but without a measuring tape. So I'm going to use this clothespin for distance all the way around. Okay. So far, I think it looks pretty good. But I do believe that this one needs some more hair. So I saw one of the blazing stars back there. I'm going to go and cut another 8 stalks and fill in the spaces so it's a nice crown around there. What I've done here is I've made the hole a little forward of each one that I've done. That way it'll look really nice. The design will be nice. It won't be just a circle. I'll show you. See what I mean now? How it looks a little bit more full, which is really pretty, I think, all the way around. And now I'm going to cut a standard face, I guess. I've decided to use just a pencil, and what kind of pencil is this one? And the standard tool of measurement, the clothespin, to measure out the face. Pussycat wants to help. So, see? Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Now I'm going to make little half circles. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to have both the pumpkins looking at each other. I just used the bottom of this old water bottle someone left here to make the eyes. And then we'll cut those out like that. Push the pumpkin inwards take your finger and push it inwards so that you get a nice clean, see? You get a nice clean cut like that. Otherwise, if you push it outwards and you make a mistake, you're going to take the skin with it, and then that will ruin the cut. See? 2 eyes. So I think what I'm going to do is make the nose a little high up, and then the mouth a little high up, because then that makes it look extra happy and kind of cute. Its nose is half a clothespin. Pretty much the line that you make for the eye, half it, and then that'll be the nose. For the mouth, I'm just cutting it out in segments so that I don't break the teeth. This one is done, and what I've gone over it with a wet rag to get rid of all the lines, which is what I'm going to be doing with the Sapphire X, the Sapphire, and the Perfecto Plus. I use those devices every morning and every night. And I'm not sponsored, you guys. I'm just telling you because I like that stuff. So I want to show you. I'll just switch. Oh, my pumpkin on my hand. See if we can, like when you cover the top here, the light. See? Cute, hey? I'm just going to take this dog toy and cover the light. See? It lights up. First pumpkin. And I'm going to go put it at the end of the driveway because I need this wheelbarrow and it'll be too heavy for me to pick it up. I just used this lid to do the mouth so then the mouth will be even. See? It's just the half moon of this. I wanted to show you that it does light up. See? Fun. For this next pumpkin, I'm going to use some tiger lilies. These are chives, but they look like grass, so it's okay. It'll be easy to clean up that area if they drop any seeds. And then here is some dried corn. That's going to be the headdress thing. Here is the top of it. And then I'll pull them through the bottom so that they're stronger in there for the wind. Here is the outside of the centerpiece of it. You can see inside. Really pretty when the headdress part is on there. And I've pushed it all the way like that so that you can see the light through the bottom there. This is just a plastic lid that our friend gives us soup in. So I use that to make the mouth, and then I'll use this candle here to do the eyes. This idea is from the Mind Blown emoji. That's what it looks like. Oh, and see, right here, I'll just clean this out a little bit more. Take these off. I'll cut those off so it can get some more sun in there. I clean this up at the back because the sun sets in the east, so it'll start here, and then all day, all the way around, it will have sun all the way around. See how you can see the sticks still in there? I've decided to leave them in there like that because it's very, very windy here, and that way these won't fall out or be blown out. So here we go. Emoji pumpkins for Halloween. Mind blown. And what I've done is I've taken little bits, and I'll put these back afterwards, but they're just shored up there in case it gets too windy. It can't be that windy. It's really windy here, but I can't see it being windy enough to knock those over. So that's it. Halloween pumpkin carving. So look at the back. See? Those, I can't remember what they're called. Look at the back. The flowers are still blooming, even through the frost we just had. Subscribe, you guys, and I'll show you some more stuff. I'll show you some more carving, some more art. Use what you can to make art, you guys. Use whatever is in your garden. Hi everyone, I wanted to show you these slippers. Aren't they cute? They're handmade. They're wonderful, so comfortable, so warm. So now we are set for winter, being snowed in. These ones are mine because it's my favorite color. Thank you, I appreciate these. So wonderful. So wonderful. Now all I need to do is find some vegan hot chocolate and I'm totally ready for the winter out here. Excellent. Oh, I want to tell you guys something. A secret that I want to know. I want to know how to knit. Look how well that's done. I want to know how to knit so I can knit the dog's clothes, sweaters and coats and jackets. Oh my goodness. Look at the skill. Wonderful. Wonderful. Beautiful, soft, everything. So perfect. I just love the country.